Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So today, December 6th, let's take a look here. We have a nice chart here to understand that sometimes the market, by the way, we are seeing a nice update for the market, and we're going to be talking about the XLE, which is the energy ETF. We can see crude oil is up about 5%. So this is going to be a quick video on the 4 hourly, and what I was saying here is sometimes the market does ask us as traders, if we can call ourselves that, but as market participants, to consider some areas on the chart where there could be some inflection points. In other words, the market would make a decision, and that can set the stage for a swing trade. So let me get to the point here. If we take this 4 hourly, this is a 4 hourly XLE. I remember it can be any chart. I'm just using this as an example. And this is again 4 hourly XLE. XLE. And we see that there's a topside RSI line. That's your first line and your first challenge as of right now. Remember, we've had a big day in the energy space, but we've come to test this line now. And then there's also another line, which is a back test line. And we can draw it from the lows here, and it should be something like that. What this line gives us, it connects nicely, conveniently, or let me say the market is aware of this line. We've tagged it a couple of times. Here we went above the line and back below it, and here we are testing the two lines. So we see that the red and the blue line intersect exactly where the RSI is trading. Meaning, if you are looking for a swing trade from now, this current situation, you'd want to see if you're wanting to go long or if you're going to take a trade to the upside. You'd want to see the RSI clear this topside resistance line to indicate there's more upside for a swing trade higher. And then also, if you're looking to find direction to the downside, then the more this is confirmed as resistance, the more we start coiling down from current levels, the more it means that the next meaningful direction is actually down from current levels, where we see the XLE trading at about 56. So the point of this video is there are moments on the chart where we are called to make a decision, or the market calls us to observe a decision being made. And in this case, we can see these two lines are intersecting exactly where the RSI is trading. Hence, we can understand that movement above these two lines is good for a swing trade to the upside. Resistance on these two lines is definitely indication that the next meaningful swing trade direction is going to be down. And as a side note, remember we are around that RSI 50 level. Again, that is subject for another day, another discussion, another day. If you're looking for this, there are going to be free links on my channel talking about RSI 50 crossing and RSI 50 uniform activity. But for today, let's just stop right there. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you as I found you, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai, my friends. Adonai.